all the guests and the people to be invited in the camp.
I can only say, may the good Lord continue to bless them for having mapped out this day for us to come and be with us, to come and celebrate with us. Umunri Association. We are so much honored, and we thank God for their presence.
Okay, we thank you a lot. Okay.
Hi.
Can you present yourself and the couple?
We are Mr. and Mrs. Vincent Nzekwe.
Okay. So tell us why you present this time and on this day.
We came to witness the New Yam Festival and the video launch of the Umunri Welfare Association here in Cape Town.
Okay. So Mama, tell me, are you happy? Are you disappointed?
I'm very happy. No, I'm very happy because it's our tradition. You see?
So
every year is celebrated.
So what can you tell the people that did organize this event?
The organizing committee did a very good job, and I give them praise. I give them kudos.
Yeah.
They really tried it.
They tried their best.
They tried their best.
And Papa, which message can you send the people there at home in Nigeria?
I want to tell them in Nigeria that here in South Africa, we still do the same culture here.
Okay.
We still remember our roots. That one day we still come back and do the same thing. But here in Cape Town, in South Africa, we are still doing the same thing to make the Nigerian festival and the Igbo culture a reality here in the city of Cape Town.
Exactly.
That's good.
Yeah.
Mama, can you tell us how many kids you have?
In Nigerian culture, in Igbo land,
Yeah.
we don't count kids.
There are many.
There are many. It's God's gifts.
Thanks God.
Exactly.
Thank you.
Thank God for that. It's a gift from God, so it's many.
Okay. So thanks you a lot.
Thank you very
Thank
much.
you so much.
Pleasure.
Bye.
Bye.
Ọkọ̀ sí bọ̀ fẹ́ sókun.